Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Many students have graduated from this university and have taken leadership roles and are serving the humanity in their own respective fields. हमारी जो कंप्यूटर साइंस और आईटी का जो डिपार्टमेंट है वो एक बहुत ही शानदार काम कर रहा है.
Respected sir, I present to you the graduating candidates for Bachelor of Science in Information Technology from 2018 to 2023 who have been examined and found qualified for the award of the degree of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Vice Chancellor of the Benazir Bhutto Shahid University, Lyari, I admit you to the degree of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology and charge you that ever in your life and conversation you do prove yourselves worthy of the same.
Business Administration from 2018 to 2023.
2021 to 2023 who have been examined and found qualified.
Candidates for the Master of Commerce from 2018 to 2022 who
are Bachelors of Education Honors BA 1.5 and BA 2.5
English from 2019 to 2020.
As a graduate of Benazir Bhutto Shahid University, Lyari, I solemnly pledge that
invite our senior faculty member, who has also served as acting registrar, the chairman of the Department of Computer Sciences, Dr. Mazhar Ali Abro, for the vote of thanks.
Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Honorable Vice Chancellor, respected faculty members, distinguished guests, graduates, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. On this auspicious occasion of the convocation ceremony of Benazir Bhutto Shahid University, Lyari, I, on behalf of the faculty, management, staff, and students of Benazir Bhutto Shahid University, extend my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you for gracing us with your presence. Our sincere gratitude goes to our worthy Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Amjad Siraj Memon, whose leadership has guided us through challenges as well as opportunities. We also express our gratitude to Mr. Murtaza Wahab, the Mayor of Karachi, for his invaluable support and commitment in making this convocation ceremony successful. We also extend our appreciation to all the members of Convocation Committee whose meticulous planning and tireless efforts have ensured the seamless execution of this event. We would also like to express our gratitude to the media personnel present here today. I would like to express our sincere gratitude to our sponsors, Sindh Bank Limited and Extol Solutions, for their generous support. Additionally, a heartfelt thank you goes out to all the volunteers who dedicated their time and effort to ensure the smooth running of this event. Finally, congratulations to the graduating students on this momentous achievement. Dear students, as you embark on new endeavors, may you continue to uphold the values of excellence and integrity instilled in you by Benazir Bhutto Shahid University, Lyari, Karachi. Thank you once again to everyone.